back for their second show.
Exactly.
Anyway, happy birthday to...
It's me!
Happy birthday to...
In the studio. Hard desk, yeah, it's a great idea. Yeah, we'll share desks.
I tell you what, share desks. Give me my own studio, god damn it.
Whatever posh people do.
I do.
I'm not that posh. Oh, shut up. Shut up, I'm not that posh. Now, I bet you any money he would absolutely tick the box on the posh test.
Anyway, I took a picture of me and do you want to do this now or do you want to do it in a bit?
Yeah, sure.
Do you want to do it now?
Yeah, let's have a look.
Alright, so let me put on the screen. Told it was.
Judge Rinder.
Right, to you he's Judge Rinder. To Zipper it was a second date, but it's not a date, it was just dinner. And we had a lovely chat about, you know, stuff.
Yeah.
Anyway, I took a picture and I posted the picture on our website, on Instagram and whatnot. And that was the picture that I put up. Now, as you can see there, that is Mr. Rinder.
Make your mind up.
Behind me, I'll rephrase that. Reminded them of something else.
Oh, did he want to do mine?
Yeah, so, is that the way you're going to do it? Can you not just, you can tell me what they are?
I won't be able to take a shot.
Alright. Have you heard this?
Pension Pod. Nutmeg makes investing simple. Let our expert team build and manage your globally diversified investment portfolio and get your money working harder, all online and with low fees to help boost your returns. Investing isn't just for a privileged few, and starting early is key. Try our online investment planning tool at nutmeg.com. Capital at risk. This is Nutmeg.
Hello.
I like that answer. That's good.
So, where is it? Timothy is where? Like, down towards kind of Southampton way?
What were you going to say?
Boring. What else have we got? Come on. 5 minutes. I want some goodies.
That's it. And the gums. Good. That's good, isn't it?
And that's very important, by the way.
It is.
Trust me.
To floss.
After my recent trips to the dentist this year, which I hated.
Yeah.
You've really got to get in all the nooks and crannies.
Judge Rinder.
Judge Rinder as well.
Oh, stop with your Judge Rinderisms. Now, how many men have you given your number to since we started on this show? That's right, about 50.
No.
So anyway.
I can count on both hands.
I count on 9 pairs of hands. Many times I've given my number to men.
So anyway, smile on your face.
I like a ring donut.
Right.
Actually, I like a jam donut as well. There you go.
I love a jam donut.
Yeah.
Old school. Jam donut, loads of sugar on it. Lovely.
But I'd stay away from the ones covered in too much sweet dark chocolate.
Do you like a cream donut, Tom? Squirt cream out in the middle.
Cream donut?
Yeah, you love that. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Right, he had gout. Portly, says Rosalind.
Yeah.
He had gout, the fat, says Felix. Chubby fellow who chops his wives' heads off.
Right. Yeah.
Rotund and loved him. No, I can't read that.
Okay.
He had chronic syphilis. That is a great name for a son of the restless Westboro.
Wow, he's very passionate, isn't he?
And because of the success of Let's Dance, he brought me some Hunter Wellington books.
Let's take a bit easier. Search NatWest Mortgages. NatWest, we are what we do.
Your home may be repossessed if you do not keep up your payments on your mortgage.
You've been doing the rounds for many years, you've been racking the raving, and you get to a point in your career where you are, he's got a new name, the guy got a new name, a new
for just £239 a month. What a price! What a mighty good price!
Business users initial rental £1,500 plus 20% back, 35 months, and will be £165 plus 20% back. Conditions apply.
Go to vanorama.co.uk.
Do you like meeting new people? Well, here's a great opportunity. Asda have now got customer delivery driver opportunities for our stores in London, all with flexible hours and great benefits. It's a job that can be right up your street.
We have fly news. A fly update coming next.
Get there.
Radio X.
On your radio, on your phone.
Bereft kid. We'll actually play the last post.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's stereophonics. Sure. I mean, it's not the same thing, but it's what it means. It's not going to rain in Manchester for the next 24 hours. Woo! Come on, let's have a party on the street. Let's get out there.
Well, that's doing it. I mean, what am I going to do with the rest of it? I think we can double that over.
And it was just a bit dark, so I didn't want to just stare. You know, it's always good when you have like a grandma or something just taking the kids, sprinting across the road without actually looking if there's a car coming.
Yeah.
So you're setting a great example there.